Good morning, Eagles. It's Monday morning, March 23rd. We're supposed to be back at school today, but things intervened. I've been thinking for days and days about what to say here and how to greet you and what I could possibly share that would be comforting or some words of wisdom, and I'm still searching. I don't have them. What I have, though, is a little bit of information about how my classes are going to look. And some hope for you and some comfort perhaps. Here's how my classes are going to look. Please continue to use Canvas as a way to stay in touch with what we're doing in class. We'll try to modify the coursework so it's not quite as rigorous. We can't do labs. We can't do activities or projects in class that we would have otherwise. But the expectation is that we'll still learn some earth and space, or we'll still learn some physics. It's just going to look very different. I don't know what it's going to look like. I'm still scrambling to build the building as we're living in it, I guess. So we'll figure it out together. That's what I can say. Don't panic. That's something else I can say. Now, bits of advice for you. It's going to be tough being immobile or being isolated as long as we're going to have to be, it looks like. It's going to be tough for me at least, and it's tough for my wife and my two children who are here too. I have two 22-year-old boys, and they're men now, I guess, but they're here in the house, and we're not used to all four of us being here, and it's we're stepping on each other's toes some. That's why I'm filming this at the hour that I'm filming it. Everybody else is asleep. Shh. So, if you can find a way today to make someone else smile, that would be good. If you could find a way to let someone else help you find a smile, that would be good. For the interim, I guess, I'd recommend checking Canvas daily. My classes are going to have twice a week. We'll have some face-to-face meeting on Google Meet, and so there's an actual schedule that's posted up as an announcement on Canvas. Just check that out. We'll take our first test run tomorrow. My thought is they're going to be 5 minutes long, 10 minutes long. I've allotted 20 minutes at the longest, something like that. But I would guess that most of them are a lot shorter than that. So here's my advice for you guys, Eagles. Stay healthy. And I don't mean just physically. I mean mentally and emotionally as well. Do what you need to do to connect with people. Do what you need to do to heal yourself and stay healthy, physically and emotionally and mentally, spiritually. Do what you need to do to help others accomplish that as well. So I've posted my office hours. I'll be on my computer and should be able to respond to emails very, very quickly between the hours of 8 and 10 in the morning and noon and 2 in the afternoon. I'll probably be on most of the time because what else am I going to be doing, really? So here's my last bit of advice to you. Go be awesome. Just be awesome in your own house.